Welcome to this video about the AIRT add-in from Excel Awesome website. In this video we're going to look at the variance chart. As with all charts from the add-in, once you've created the chart you can send it to anyone. They can update the numbers and view the chart, no problem. Let's start by deleting this chart so we can recreate it. The variance chart requires 4 columns of data, descriptions or labels, some plan figures, actual figures with a simple variance between the two. Just click AIRT, Variance, select the data with the 4 columns. In this case we want to show positive values as red. The data you can see starts in row 5, which does indeed have headings, so we can click that. And we'll let Excel define the minimum and maximum values for the chart. And then we can click OK. And we have our chart. So we can move this. Let's put it in our dashboard. We'll just align it where we want on the and resize. That's it. Thank you.